beside the river in the rain by Neil H. J. Stoneman. Tomorrow we may try again to catch a taste of fleeting joy beside the river in the rain. It slipped away. Could there remain a spark that time cannot destroy? Tomorrow we may try again. Love consumed all cares and pain. It never seemed to vex or cloy beside the river in the rain. We ventured to a wild domain that only bravest hearts enjoy. Tomorrow we may try again. Who understands? Who can explain what happens to a girl and boy beside the river in the rain? If I could cast away my chain, if you behaved a little coy, tomorrow we might try again beside the river in the rain.